Hello guys, we are from Group 19. We will practice about mathematics English class. Before it, let me introduce ourselves. I am Ririn Muflikhatuk with last NPM20242 and my friends.
And my name is Nicean Septiana and the student number is 6111.
And happy watching!
Watching! Good morning class!
Good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Morning, Miss.
How do you feel today? Are you happy?
Yes, I am happy. Yes, I'm happy.
Okay, before starting the class, let's pray together. Pray begins. Finish. Let me check the attendance first. Who is absent today?
No, Miss.
Okay, thank you. Today we are going to learn about something you often see when wrong with number or data. For example, mean, median, mode, and range. And you have probably heard of average, right?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, well, that's one of the four things we'll explore today. Let's take a look at our learning objective. Learning objective in the first, to find mean, median, mode, and range. In the second, calculate the from individual data. A third, understand when to use each. And the fourth, compare the difference. Sound useful, right? Let's begin with the first one. Next. In the first is mean. What do you think when you have about mean in probably?
Miss. Mean or average is the sum of all values divided by number of values.
Alright. Give me applause for Nabila. Okay. Mean. And I have a picture from representation mean in probably. Next. A picture of a different layer of the content. So we pour the content of the same contents. The next. Mean. Definition: mean is sum of values divided by the number of values used to find the overall average value of data set based for balanced data. And the formula of mean is sum of value divided by number of values. Next, I have a for example. And for the example, given the data which are 10, 20, 30, 40, find the mean of the data is. And the answer, mean, and the formula of mean is total data divided a count. The total data is 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 40 divided by 4. And the 100 divided 4 equal to 25. Next, median. And the second is median. Median is middle value in order data. And I have example median of 55, 78, 24, 95 and 67. And first, start from the value of the big to the large. To the big to the large. 24, 55, 67, 78, and 95. And second, take the value in the middle. Value in the middle of data is 67. And then median of the data is 67. Next. And I have a data 120, 30, 130, and 150, 167. In this case, we have two cases, namely the value is even, so we have take to the value in the middle. Next. Okay. The data is you sort from the value to the biggest to the large. And the second, to take data in the middle. And such as the data, even then take two data in the middle. And the two data in the middle is 130 and 150. And then formula of median is 130 plus 140 divided by 2 equal to 280 divided 2 equal to 140, and the median of the data is 140. The next.
Okay, next is mode. Okay, has anyone ever heard of it? Or what do you think mode
No.
means? Any guesses?
No, Miss. No clue, Miss.
Okay, it's no clue. Let's look at this picture. Uh, Inside this basket, there are some fruits, apples, pears, and banana, and then orange. Now look carefully. Which fruit appears most often?
Apple. Apple.
Yes, that's right. The apple appears most often. There are three apples. And that's what we call the mode. The item or value that appears the most is the mode. Okay, mode. Mode is the value that appears most often in a set of data. It can be an object like words or numbers. This is the mode is to identify most common value. For example, mode of 7, 7, 4, 5, 5, 5, and 9. The mode of the data is 5. I have a question. Mode of 10, 21, 21, 9, 9, 17, 9, 17, and 9. The mode of the data is? Anyone to answer?
Me. The mode is 9, Miss.
Right, Nala. Good job. The mode of the data is 9. And range. Range is difference between the highest and lowest values. The formula of range is data max minus data minimum. Uses of range is 1 to show how spread of the data is. Range help us understand how much the data varies. If the range is large, the values are very different. And if the range is small, the values are close together. And the second, to understand the variation in the data. Next, for example, for animals run a race, there are rabbits, 10 minutes, turtle, 25 minutes, cat, 15 minutes, dog, 20 minutes. The question, what is the range of all the runners' time? Okay, to find the range, we need to look for the highest and lowest time. The turtle took the longest time, that's 25 minutes. and the rabbit was the fastest, only 10 minutes. So the highest value is 25 and lowest is 10. Now we subtract to formula of range. Data maximum minus data minimum. 25 minus 10 equals to 15 minutes. So we got that the range of the data is 15 minutes. Okay, next. If we have the data 43, 27, 31, 49, 35, 22, and 41. Find the range of the following data set. Anyone who want to answer?
Me, Miss.
Okay, Amma. What is the answer?
The answer is 27.
Right. What is the data maximum?
The data maximum is 49.
And the data minimum?
The data minimum is 22.
Right. Okay. We get that the data maximum is 49 and data minimum is 22. So we subtract to the formula range data maximum minus data minimum equal to 49 minus 22. And we got that the range is 27. Very good, Anna. Okay, today we learn about mean is the average and median is the middle of the value. Mode is the most frequent value. And the last range is the difference between the highest and lowest. Each one help us to understand data in a different way. And next, I have two activity. Uh, I give you the data 24, 32, 34, 30, 25, 30, 32, 36, 32, and the last 24. From the data, I want you guys to find the mean, median, mode, and range of the data. Okay, guys? Okay. And before we finish, please remember to complete the activity we start earlier. Make sure you follow the instruction carefully and do your best. We will review your work in the next class, so don't forget to bring it with you. That's all for today. Good job, everyone, and see you next time.
See you next time, Miss.
See you, Miss.
See you
Thank
next time, Miss. Thank you.
That's all from us. We're sorry for any mistakes, and see you next time.
See you.